Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, today we're going to be talking about the Galaxy Fold 3, and there's a problem if you did pre-order the device. Let's go ahead and talk about that. Now, if you went ahead and pre-ordered any of the new watches that have came out, or the Galaxy Fold 3, you might have received an email just the other day. This email told you that your pre-order will still be coming, but it will be delayed until mid-September. According to what we understand, is that Samsung is actually overwhelmed with the amount of pre-orders they actually received for both these devices. Now, the key thing is, though, it looks like it's only affecting two different key devices. Starting off right away, it looks like it's only affecting the Watch 4 LTE models and also only affecting the Galaxy Fold 3 512GB models. So if you did go ahead and pre-order the 256, you're most likely going to go ahead and be fine. And if you pre-order any other watch editions, you're probably going to be fine. Nonetheless, though, this is of course concerning for those who did go ahead and pre-order the ones I just mentioned. Now, if you did go ahead and pre-order, like I said, the email will go ahead and state on there that pretty much, hey, listen, we are apologizing, we are sorry for your item being delayed, but there's nothing we really can do. Now, will you get it mid-September, or could it be delayed even more? We actually, at this moment in time, we do not know what's going to happen. So there's only one or two things that actually happen and why it's actually delayed. First off, it could just be a simple, too much supply or too much orders and not enough supply, kind of what we saw in the video with the 3080 and 3090 series graphics cards. Or it could be that there is a global shortage for chips when it comes to these smartphones. Something that we saw recently with the Google Pixel series was that exact issue happened, where they could only go ahead and release it in Canada and the United States because of the fact that there was a shortage on chips. With that in mind, though, we're going to have to wait and see if Samsung does come out with an official word on this. At this moment, they've only sent out emails to those who have pre-ordered the device. Hopefully, we'll see a public statement by Samsung sometime soon, kind of breaking down and detailing what actually happened and why these devices were delayed. Also, it should be interesting to see if this is going to be a shortage issue or if it's going to be, of course, just a simple, hey, we didn't know as many supplies we needed, and the demand was going to be this heavy for the 512GB model. I think Samsung and a lot of people expected the 256GB model to be the one that is, more delayed or more, wanted, but it looks like the 512GB model might have been more amped up. Now, of course, Samsung did go ahead and give us a discount for both of these phones with the store credit of $200 for the 256GB model and $100 for the 512GB model. Maybe that did go ahead and push more people toward the bigger gigabyte model rather than going ahead and getting the 256GB model and only getting the $200 credit. They went for the 512 and get $100 credit. Now, I will say that when you go on Samsung.com right now, even if you are trying to pre-order at the moment, you cannot get an August 27th release day what's called ship time. So you will get, I think right now it's like September 5th, September 6th. So even if you pre-order right now, you will get it technically delayed of what the actual the release date is, of course, but that was for the people who pre-ordered it when they did come out. Nonetheless, though, it should be interesting to see what Samsung does say, because this is very important for them to be as transparent as possible with their customers, of course, with how much this actually cost, and one being almost $2,000 and the other one being almost $600-700. This is going to worry a lot of people and concern a lot of people with where is my device, what's happening to my device. I spent all this money, why am I getting delayed? Why am I not getting my device on time? So it should work out in the end. It should be no issue at all, and Samsung should get this figured out. But with that in mind, guys, if you did enjoy this video, hit that like, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.